Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I also thank the honourable member as well. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Youth Training Centre at Valelevu offers a Certificate 4 in music. This certificate level qualification was confirmed after the Fiji Higher Education Commission moderation and assessment. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Fiji Higher Education Commission assessment is in line with the Fiji National Qualification Framework. Mr. Speaker said this program is offered by the Fiji Affairs Government, free for youths who are seeking the opportunity to venture into music as an employment opportunity into the creative arts. This is in line with principle outlined in section 3.1.8 on youth and sports development in the 5-year and 20-year NDP 2017. Mr. Speaker said, our qualified youths from the Valelevu Training Centre have been taken into our discipline forces and in the entertainment area, thus providing a sustainable pathway for the youth employment. The Youth Training Centre, as part of the National Youth Band, is up for a review to open up new possibilities and pathways for the participants. Mr. Speaker said, currently we are in the process of drawing up the project note to carry out this important exercise. In particular, the Ministry aims to expand the program at Valelevu and put into place a more structured intake and output structure. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, for this opportunity.